In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of YouTube in Android. So let's open up YouTube. And if you click your profile on the bottom left here, or bottom right, you'll see your account. And as you can see, there's no sign out option. There's only switch account. So if you want to do that, there it is. You can just click switch account and switch it. But if you want to just sign out completely, then you'll have to do it another way. So let's exit out of YouTube. And then let's go to settings. So go to your settings app and then click on the search and then enter apps. Type in apps and then just select apps. And let's wait for it to load. And then over here in the search for YouTube. Select it. And then over here, find storage. Should be somewhere here. So find storage and then click on it. You'll see these options. You'll see clear data, clear cache. Click on clear cache first and then click on clear data. And as you can see, it tells you what will happen. So you can click delete. And then once you've done that, you can now exit. And once you open YouTube again, you'll be signed out completely. As you can see, it automatically signed in for me, but that's how you basically sign out of YouTube. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.